Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 E300 4MATIC. This one is a selenite gray metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights. Also comes with the sports package, which is going to give you the sports interior and exterior look, and 18-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. The tires are in good condition. A black MB text interior, sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a rear spoiler, E300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of all-season and regular floor mats, comfort box for extra storage. Come alongside. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, a natural grain black ash wood trim, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, ambient lighting, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, a rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, wireless charging, USB ports, cup holders, dynamic legs for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center. This E300 has 47,617 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.